day 17 on Alderney, and I'm looking out over Longy Bay. I'm in the Edelweiss bunker, one of the German additions to the nunnery, and I've come in here because it's out of the wind and out of the rain, although it's just about stopped now. And we can have a quick look today at some of the small finds, some of the stone tools that we've had this year. We've got a number of examples of these things that we call limpet knockers. Who knows what they're really used for, but they're generally rather flattish stone tools with a beveled end to them. That one's beveled at both ends, you can see. And this one's also slightly dished in the middle, if you see the section like that. We've had about 7 or 8 of those, I think. We've had the classic sort of stone pounders, again with clear evidence of working on the ends of the tools, a good hand size shape for bashing and grinding things. Slightly different shape, again, that's been used for grinding. It's got peck marks at both ends. Again, fits nicely in the hand. And then a couple of more unusual things. This is a little piece of stone which might be the end of something like a needle that's lost the part at this end with the eye in it, the hole in it. It's certainly a deliberately shaped stone, and it's from a good prehistoric context. And then yesterday afternoon, from the same context, we got perhaps the best one so far. This is, what the 19th century antiquarians called a hammerstone, I think, or a mace head. You can see the section. Unusually, in our experience, these they're not usually drilled the whole way through, but this one has clearly been intentionally drilled the whole way through, and it's an old break, so I suppose the chances of us finding the other half are slight, but we'll keep on looking for a bit longer yet. So there's just a few of the fine stone tools. We've got about 20 in all now that we've found this year.